Okay, this is an Elgin badged Class 15 straight stitch machine. It is a beige and cream two-tone in color. It is just a basic straight stitch. It has 3-level feed dogs. It has variable stitch length and reverse, and of course bobbin winder on the wheel. Threads from the end. Uses Class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles, and it is a low shank machine. Comes with a fabric guide, a zipper foot, and some bobbins. And the great thing about this machine is it features a 1.5 amp motor. It's all metal, of course, and 1.5 motor. It's very hard to find. Normally the strongest that you find is 1.3. Serviced and ready to go. Runs wonderfully. It's a beast. Full blast. Nice stitch. 6 layers of denim. And 3 layers of about a medium weight garment leather. There, and that is the Elgin badged Class 15 straight stitch with a 1.5 amp motor.